Picked up a boat today off the local classified site. I had to drive about 450 kilometers total to get it back here, but $200. It's pretty rough. It's an older wood boat with fiberglass hull. It's totally gutted, but it's a big boat, which kind of surprised me. I'm trying to fix it up and hopefully go fishing with it. Got no motor or nothing, it's just the boat, so it's going to be a long project, but as you can see, it's pretty big inside here. There's no floor in it, the floor rotted out, and the bottom of the hull has a couple spots where it's rotten that I'm hoping I'm able to repair without too much trouble. Deep boat, as you can see right here. It's got a bit of a soft spot where the fiberglass is away from the wood, so I'm definitely going to have to do a repair here. And then of course up here at the top, deck rails are all rotten, just rotten wood. It's sat out in the sun. My guess would be 30-35 years. There's very little information on the boat. The previous owner passed away. I guess he got cancer and he died. So this came from his yard where somebody was cleaning it up and selling all his belongings, and this was there. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely in dire need of some serious repairs. You can see here it's got some problems, but should be a fun little project to fix up. Pieces are falling off. Perfect.